intentional. I'm way too intentional. Yeah, I'm professional, but this is incredible. You got me all skeptical. This is unbearable. Why is your movie not credible?
Let me show you how it's really done. The way that I talk it, I walk it. I'm MJ with the 23. Look at me, I'm really ballin'. Tapping in with the real ones. Pick up the phone that I'm calling. MVP in the core, yeah. Look at me, I'm really scarring. Talking and maybe you'll listen and maybe you're smart and you'll take my advice. There's only a winner and only one winner in every race at the end of the line.
This is a trail. I'm living for real. And all that I gotta say, I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone. Just leave me alone. Isn't that obvious? I'm back to the bar.